Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your iPhone 15 Plus to fix any issues you may be experiencing. This method is completely safe, will not delete any of your personal data. So let's get started. So in order to do a hard reset, first thing is you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button on the left hand side of your phone, and then the big side button on the right hand side. So you need to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold this side button just like that. Now you'll get a screen pop up to slide to power off, but you do not need to slide to power off. Just keep on holding that side button as I am right now. Wait for the screen to go completely black, and once you see the Apple logo appear, you'll let go of that side button, and you might have to do this a few times before you get the hang of it. So keep on trying volume up, volume down, one after another, and then hold that side button. As I mentioned, this method is completely safe, will not delete any of your personal data. And once you're back online, you should be able to go ahead and type in your passcode and get back onto your iPhone. So give it a try again. Again, it's going to be volume up, volume down, one after another quickly, and then hold that side button. And if for some reason Siri activates, that just means you didn't press volume up and down quick enough. So try to make sure you press volume up and down quickly and then hold that side button so your phone can completely shut down, and then reload the code. This process is also known as a forced restart as well. Basically, the number one troubleshooting step when it comes to resolving most software and hardware related issue Apple recommends, because it's completely safe and you can do it as many times as you need to be able to fix your phone. So if you do it multiple times, don't worry, your phone will be completely fine. And hopefully this video was helpful in resolving in any issues that you're experiencing with your iPhone. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.